I'm walking the cup on some heavy wall stainless using a number 6 cup for the first pass. After that, I'll bump it up to a number 8 cup and bump the amperage up to 150 amps. This is just practice, but it's a multi-pass weld, so I will go up to a number 12 cup, bump the argon up, but I'm going to leave it at 150 amps because the piece is good and hot now. Walking the cup is primarily for pipe and round objects, but you can use it for other things too. And this is some good practice right here. This is a really thick piece of stainless, so I don't really have to worry about stopping and letting it cool all that often, but if this were, say, Schedule 40 pipe, I would definitely want to let it cool down to about probably 150 degrees or so before I started welding again. You can overheat stainless very easily and make it lose its stainless properties. Let's do a root and hot pass now on this plate. This is the only kit I know that comes with a 532 setup. For anyone doing really heavy aluminum 1/4 inch and above with a big water-cooled 18, this will be the jam. I picked a number 6 cup for the root pass on this thing, and that wiggles in there pretty nicely without bumping on the sidewalls. I'm bearing down on the tip of that 1/8 ER70S6 filler wire, lay wire, open root, not wiggling much side to side. That's doing pretty good. That would work on pipe as well. For the hot pass, I only bump it up a little bit, 111 amps. You can go a little bit hotter, but there is a point where your wrists suck back. This is one of the best large diameter gas lens kits available anywhere with the highest quality with 532 electrodes and hardware. Weldmonger.com.